Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make someone admin on Discord. So first, you just have to open your Discord and then kindly go to that specific channel. And let's just say I want to set or make this Shadow Fit boot as my admin. So I have to go to my channel server and then kindly tap this arrow facing down here. Okay, and then look for server settings, tap this one, and then here you have to go to roles and then click this create role, tap this one. Now what you're gonna do here is simply select the name of the person that you want to put as an admin. Okay, so for example, Shadow Feet. Okay, that is one of my members here in my channel. You can customize anything here and then change the color if you want to. Now to add this person as administrator, you just have to go to permission. Okay. And then what you want to do here is simply scroll down till you see administrator. So scroll down. And once you found this administrator, toggle this one on or turn this one on. Now what you want to do next is to go back to the channel and go to that person's profile, or in case that person or member asks to be an admin to this channel, all you have to do is to right click at that person's name and then go to roles and set that person or that user as administrator. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.